Hello guys, here is our mini lesson and it's about abnormal chromosomal cases and genetic disorder. A genetic disease is any disease caused by an abnormality in the genetic makeup of an individual. The genetic abnormality can range from minor to major cases. And genetic mutations can happen either randomly or due to some environmental exposure. So let's now remember the basics of gamete formation. Normally, the female who has 44 autosome and XX chromosomes, the chromosomes are distributed equally in gametes, so they will have 22 plus X and 22 plus X. While the male who has 44 plus XY will produce a sperm with 22 plus X and the other sperm with 22 plus Y. And in some abnormal cases of cell division and during formation of female gametes, chromosomes separate except the sex chromosomes. They go into one cell, leaving the others with no sex chromosomes. But the male will face no problem during his gamete formation. So, during fertilization, if the sperm with Y chromosome fertilized an abnormal ovum has 22 plus XX, a male with Klinefelter syndrome is produced. And if the other sperm with X chromosome fertilized the ovum which lacks sex chromosomes, a female with Turner syndrome is produced. Klinefelter syndrome affects only males due to the presence of Y chromosome. The male will have some feminine characteristics like the increase in the breast size, and he will be also very tall and sterile due to the absence of sperm-generating cells from his testes. And now with the characteristics of Turner syndrome. It affects only females due to the absence of Y chromosome, so she doesn't reach maturation due to the deficiency of female sex hormones. She is very short and she has deformities in heart and kidney. There are also cases where the abnormality is in the autosomes and not the sex chromosomes. The example of this case is Down syndrome. That happens in case of fertilization of abnormal gamete, ova or sperm that contains 3 pairs of chromosome number 21. Down syndrome affects male or female because the abnormality is in the autosomes, not sex chromosomes. He will have retardation in mental growth and some unique body features like oval face, flat back of head, small ears, short fingers, and convex eyes.